In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can factory reset your ECOVACS DEEBOT, and it doesn't matter what kind of tab you have, the procedure on most is the same. So I have two right now here that I'm going to show you on. So this is the first one, and what you want to do on your vacuum cleaner, first you want to turn it on. So on both you're going to turn it on. Then when you turn it on, right next to it or above it, you are going to have this kind of like this button. It's right here, and then it's going to be right here. So you're going to locate the button and you want to press and hold it for 5 to 12 to 13 seconds. And then you're going to like hear a noise. And then noise is going to say that, okay, your home vacuum cleaner has been factory resetted, and this is something that how it works and what you need to do. So if you can have any questions, let me down in the comments, but this is how it works. First, you're going to turn it on, and then you're going to press the button under the Wi-Fi, and it's right here. You're going to press and hold the button, and this is how we're going to reset it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.